Hey guys, this is Josh with PresPro Custom Homes, and I'm going to walk you through one of our house plans. This is called the Arrowood Plan. You can see more details about it on our website at prespro.com, or you can always call 704-453-2700. But this is a house that's a little bit over 3,000 square feet. It's got 5 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. It's a really beautiful home. We also have a 3-car garage option for this. This one has a 2-car garage. But so as you walk into the home, you have a formal room to the left. You could use that as a formal dining room or a living room, and it just opens up really nicely into the kitchen. This will be, of course, it's just in framing now, but this will be the kitchen, and it's a really open concept. You've got the dining area here, and just to your left you've got a nice big living room with a TV niche over the fireplace. Really open design. One of the cool features that we added into this house is a cathedral ceiling up over the dining area. So if we want to, we could put some beams across that ceiling or just do something to dress it up a little bit and make it feel really unique. This has got a nice big backyard. It could be fenced in. It's in a great neighborhood in Harrisburg, but you could fence the yard in, make it really nice. And as we walk through the home, this is our back hallway into the garage. You've got a guest bathroom. This will be a full bathroom, and you've got your laundry room and a little drop zone on your way into the garage. And right around the corner here, we've got the master bedroom. Now this master bedroom is absolutely huge. High ceilings, tons of sunlight. You've got the triple window on the one side and then a big transom window right over where the master bed will be, just to really make this home just feel really open and airy. And once you walk into the master bedroom, you've got a huge shower. This is like a 8-foot shower, something like that. It's got a transom window, and that whole thing right there is going to be a niche for soap, shampoo, that kind of thing. So that'll be a really unique feature. It'll have glass on top of this knee wall here. You'll have a double vanity and then a pocket door into the master bath closet. It's got a nice big master closet. And then one thing I love about this house, and that everybody is talking about in some of our home plans, is right from the master bedroom it goes into, you have a lockable door into your laundry room. And so you can walk through out of your laundry room right back into your hallway. So you have access to it on both levels. It's just a really good feature. So anyway, as we walk back through, I'll show you the upstairs really quickly. We can go right up the stairs here, and the second floor has got a really cool angled hallway. You've got a bedroom right here in the back side of the house with a nice size closet walk-in. You have got a nice size bathroom here. So that'll have double vanity, and then it's got its own separate shower tub area with the toilet back there. You have another bedroom in the front of the home with a great view, super bright and airy again. Walk-in closet. And coming down the hallway, you've got your third bedroom upstairs with another walk-in closet. A computer niche, which is going to have a bench underneath the some type of a bench for baskets underneath the window there. But you could also put a desk in here, use it as a computer niche. And then it's got a really big bonus room, which could be the 5th bedroom as well. So it's just a great home plan. I'll turn around so you can see back the other way. You've got a closet framed in here. And it's a really good home plan. It would be awesome for families. And again, if you want more information, reach out to us on our website, prespro.com. You can email us at newhomes@prespro.com. Or we would love to hear from you on the phone, 704-453-2700. Thanks so much.